In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a quick highlight on the focused object on Brave browser. This handy accessibility feature briefly flashes a highlight around whatever you've just selected, like a link, a button, or a form field. It makes it easier to track where your attention should be, especially if you navigate quickly, use keyboard shortcuts, or work on a high-resolution display where the cursor can get lost. First, open your Brave browser. Give it a moment to load your start page. If you haven't opened Brave in a while, that's fine. This feature is built right into the browser, and you don't need any extensions to use it. Next, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon. It's the small stack of horizontal lines sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click it to open Brave's main menu. If you're on a system where the menu bar lives at the very top of the screen, the same options will still be available from the application menu. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open a new tab dedicated to all your Brave preferences. You'll see a sidebar on the left that organizes everything by category, which makes it easy to find what you need without digging around. In the sidebar, click Accessibility. This section gathers options designed to make on-screen content easier to perceive and control. Even if you don't rely on accessibility tools every day, these settings can help reduce eye strain and make navigation feel snappier and more predictable. Now find the option labeled Show a quick highlight on the focused object. Click the toggle to turn it on. When the switch is on, you'll typically see it change color and slide to the right, confirming the setting is active. What this does is add a brief, visible flash or outline around the item that just received focus. For example, when you tab through links on a page, jump into a search box, or click a button, you'll get a quick visual cue that confirms where your action landed. It's subtle, but it dramatically improves orientation when you're moving fast or multitasking. That's all there is to it. You've enabled the Quick Focus highlight in Brave. If at any point you prefer a cleaner look, you can return to the same accessibility page and flip the toggle off. But most people find the momentary flash reassuring because it reduces guesswork and helps prevent misclicks. Thanks for watching. If this feature makes navigating the web feel more controlled and comfortable for you, consider exploring the rest of Brave's accessibility settings to fine-tune your experience.